Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest and greatest in skincare solutions.
Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to what many are calling the best face serum for skin whitening available in the market, the BREYLEE Vitamin C Serum. Now, what sets this serum apart from the rest? Let's dive into the details.
First off, let's talk about brightening.
Packed with vitamin C and niacinamide, this serum is designed to brighten your complexion, leaving your skin looking radiant and refreshed.
But it doesn't stop there.
The BREYLEE Vitamin C Serum is also a dark spot remover.
With consistent use, you can say goodbye to those pesky dark spots and uneven skin tone, revealing a more even, luminous complexion.
And who doesn't love a serum that tackles wrinkles?
Formulated with vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and retinol.
This serum helps smooth and firm the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a more youthful appearance. But what really sets this serum apart is its versatility. Not only is it suitable for the face, but it can also be used around the delicate eye area, making it a true all-in-one solution for your skincare needs. But don't just take my word for it.
Customers rave about the results they've seen with this serum.
From fading dark spots to achieving a more youthful glow, the reviews speak for themselves. So, if you're in the market for a skincare solution that delivers on its promises, look no further than the BREYLEE Vitamin C Serum. It's time to unlock your skin's potential and reveal a brighter, more radiant complexion. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips and product reviews.
Until next time, stay glowing.